Hey, it's George over at busesforsale.com again. Out here today filming a short video about a vehicle that just came into our inventory here. This one's available for sale now on our website. What we're looking at here is a 40-foot transit bus. This is a Gillig full-size transit, 39 seated passengers in this one, and I believe 37 standees is what it's rated for. It's a Cummins Diesel powered full-size bus. Let's take a quick walk around and show you. This bus is in excellent condition. Fresh from service, running great. No body damage out here to speak of, no glass damage, anything like that. Clean overall vehicle, starts and runs just fine. It's got Thermo King air in here also. Really clean overall. Destination signs are intact on both sides. It kneels, it raises, the ramp folds. The interior's in nice shape. The Recaro driver's seat is in nice shape. We can take a closer look here at the interior, and we'll look at the other side here when we come back down. Very clean overall vehicle. So, clean, really good color combination as well. Very useful. You don't have to do much to this bus to be able to put passengers in it and use it. ADA accessible. Check out all the photos, details, everything you want to know about a transit bus and more on our website at busesforsale.com.